Let's do the show.
You're listening to the
Layla
and Dada
show.
Yeah, that was so good.
Yeah.
Look at that waveform. Whoa, that is still pretty loud.
Kinda.
I think I can move this away from you a little bit now.
Yeah. Now is it better?
That's better.
Good. So it's another day at home. What?
You're so cute. Ay.
You always say that, so...
You get cuter and cuter every day and smarter every day and
Can you
more and
say
more
that
beautiful.
more?
What?
It's another day at home.
It's another day at home.
Yep. I don't know why.
But you did a lot of outside stuff today.
When is the virus done?
I don't know.
I keep asking this.
I know. We know we didn't do the show for 2 days in a row, but
Yeah.
now we're doing it again.
Yeah, because
You needed a little break.
I was really sleepy that
Yeah,
days.
you needed a little break.
Yeah.
It's okay. You got a break. And now we're doing it again.
Yep.
But
You said we will do it every day.
I know, but you didn't want to do it the past 2 days.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. We're doing it now.
I just wanted to relax and don't do it that much.
Yeah, it's okay.
Then we keep going, don't do it 2 days, and then keep going a lot of days.
Good.
Don't do it 2 days, keep going a lot of days. Like that, okay?
Sure.
That's how it works.
So what did you do today?
I went outside.
A lot.
Yeah.
That's good.
A long
Long
time.
time. Yeah.
Like Ethan's having fun upstairs. I know
Yeah.
he just jumped on the bed.
No, he's not jumping on the bed. He's probably running around the room right now.
Yeah, because I hear him stomping.
Yeah. You hear that noise? That's the noise that I hear when you guys are upstairs.
Oh, because we love to jump and
Yeah.
play.
When you're jumping on the trampoline upstairs, that's when I really hear it. It's like boom, boom, boom on my head.
Like, boom, boom, boom.
Yeah. There's a piggy in here. So you went for a walk. You played with chalk. You played in your playhouse. You went on your bicycle today, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What else? You went on your tricycle today.
Mm-hmm.
Well, now it's Easton's tricycle, right? But you went on.
Yeah. Because
It used to be yours. Now it's Easton's.
Yeah, but it's my nanny's thing.
Yeah.
I had it first.
True. It's also pink.
Yeah. So pink is not really a boy's color.
It can be.
Yeah.
Sometimes when I get really dressed up, I wear a pink shirt under a suit.
But you don't really like pink.
Not my favorite color. What's my favorite color?
Black.
And
Brown.
I like black,
White.
brown, gray, and blue.
And white.
I like white. I don't have any white on right now, though. There's white on my shirt, though. Yeah.
And some red.
Yeah.
And a lot of blue.
A lot of blue. And I'm wearing black, gray, and blue right now.
Yeah, all of your colors you like.
Yeah.
Unless, like, not really. The skin is almost all the pink like mine. Mine is lighter. See? It's lighter. Lighter. Even lighter.
You're so silly.
Even lighter.
Yeah.
Even lighter.
So I saw 2 girls today, Lennox
I remember that name.
and Lyric.
Lyric.
Yeah, her name's Lyric.
Ooh, I love
It's a nice name, right?
Lennox.
Lennox.
Because she has a...
Frozen car.
Yep.
Yeah.
How about we make a story again? Can I start? Because you went the other day.
Sure, you start.
So the little going boy and mom and dad
Went around the street.
and they saw a little puppy,
And the puppy's name was
Bella.
Bella.
They named the puppy Bella.
And the puppy was gray and blue.
Your favorite color. And pink.
And with a little bit of pink.
Yeah, because I want to be in the pink.
Okay.
I want to be the color of the dog, too.
Okay.
Because you can't forget my colors, right?
Yeah.
Because you love me.
I do love you. So what did Bella do?
Bella was really excited to see them because they couldn't find... Bella didn't find her mom and dad and her owner, and she wanted to go somewhere else because she looked everywhere. And her mom and dad was trying to find the dog too, and they went out of their house. That's why.
Oh.
They were going wherever the dog was.
This is a sad story.
Not really. But then everybody found themselves, and it's not the end.
Oh.
They wanted to go around the block and have a walk. And
Walks are good, especially on nice sunny days.
yeah, they walked the dog, and then it turned out the boy and girl were sisters and brothers, and the dog was a sister.
I have a question.
What?
What color is your first car going to be?
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Rainbow sparkles.
Rainbow sparkles. Yeah. Is it going to be a truck or a car?
It's gonna be a big van.
A big van. A rainbow sparkle van.
No, I mean like a big long van, so I can pick up everybody.
Like a limousine van?
Yeah.
Okay. I like that.
Rainbow sparkles.
I think it's a good time to remind everybody that they can go to anchor.fm/Layla Dada and leave a message for Layla, and she'll be able to answer it on the phone.
You always say that.
On the show. Yeah, I know. Don't you want people to ask you a question or say hello to you or something?
Yeah, but everybody never, ever does.
Well, 2 people did. 3 people did. Another person named Layla. Remember? And then Dubba and Steffi. They asked the question.
Yeah.
So if you wanna ask Layla a question, just go to anchor.fm/Layla Dada and you can ask a question.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
And that's the story ending.
Yeah.
But I have one more thing to say.
What do you want to say?
If you want to be a grown-up princess when you grow up, you can't, because I wanted to. And someone told me I won't be like that because, I don't know, just you be a grown-up and don't ever think of that because you're not going to be that. And I love you. Bye. Whoever does this. Bye.
Whoever listens to it?
And I love anybody that is good and watching this.
Who's your favorite person in the world?
Everybody.
Everybody? And what TV show do you want to go on and give a hug to?
Elsa and Anna and Olaf and Helen.
Wait, so maybe there'll be an Ellen episode with Elsa, Anna, and Olaf on it.
Ellen, can you do that?
And maybe it'll be in summer. That'd be pretty funny, right?
Yeah. And you had your swimsuit on.
She would have her swimsuit on?
Yeah, because it's real beach.
Oh, it would be an Ellen show on the beach. Oh, I've never seen her do one of those.
Yeah, maybe she will, because she hears my voice.
And it is a cute voice.
Mm-hmm. But I love you, Ellen, and Elsa and Anna, whoever makes them.
Well, Ellen is a real person. Elsa and Anna
Whoever makes the Frozen family.
Elsa is Adina Menzel.
That's her real name?
Adina Menzel is her real name, is who does the voice of Elsa. And Anna is Kristen Bell.
Ooh, who's Olaf?
Olaf, I can't think of his name. Sorry, I can't think of his name.
How about Sven?
I don't know who does. Oh, yeah. The guy who does Sven is who does Kristoff.
Who?
It's the same voice. He goes, reindeer are better than people. Sven, don't you think that's true? They're loyal to. That's what he does. I don't know what his name is, though. I can show you pictures of them.
Okay.
Idina Menzel has dark hair, and Kristen Bell has hair like you. Just like you, actually. Except hers is straight, yours is curly.
Is that Elsa's?
No. Elsa is Idina Menzel, but in real life she has dark hair.
Interesting.
I hear Easton screaming upstairs. Maybe he's in the shower already.
Yeah. Must be.
Okay, so what do we want to say to everybody as we sign off for the day?
I love you, and I want to stay with you when the virus is done, and maybe when the virus is done, if you guys, my teachers, if they're listening to this show, can I go to your house?
To your teachers?
Yeah, because I never got to.
Oh, when the virus is done, you'll be able to see your teachers again, either at school, if school's still going on, or if it's not, maybe they'll meet you at the park one day and hang out.
And maybe when we're done with the park, maybe I get to go to the house.
Oh, maybe. Okay.
But we still need to wash our hands when we get there.
True. So, what do we want to tell everybody? To be sure to...
subscribe.
Yeah, that was a good one. You have been listening to the
Layla
and Dada
Show.